Assalamu alaikum. Now I would like to say something about myself. This is Misbah before you. I am 10 years old. I am a student of class 4. My father's name is Muminul Islam. He is a customs officer. My mother's name is Umme Habiba Khatun. She is a teacher. We are a brother and a sister. My sister's name is Mehdia. She is only 3 years old. My favorite sports are cricket and football. My parents are favorite to me. My favorite color is black. My best friend is Joy. I like hardworking and faithful people. My future plan is to be a white man. That's all about me. Thank you.
কর্মক্ষেত্রে আপনার সফলতা কেউ ধরে রাখতে পারবে না যদি আপনি ভালোমতো ইংরেজি জেনে থাকেন। ইংলিশ এইড, দ্য বেস্ট ওয়ে টু লার্ন ইংলিশ।